Firefox opening by itself every time you start Windows. Here's how to stop it the right way. Hello everyone and welcome to the CNATT channel. If Firefox starts automatically when Windows boots, you don't need to uninstall it and you don't need to start by changing Windows startup settings. The clean way is to turn it off from Firefox itself. Open Firefox. Click the menu button in the top right corner. Go to Settings. Now go to Home and Startup. Look for this option. Open Firefox automatically when your computer starts up. Turn this option off. That's it. Firefox should no longer open automatically when you start Windows. If Firefox still opens after a restart, check Windows Startup Apps as a backup step. But in most cases, this Firefox setting is the one you need.